one comes up right here is going to be usertesting.com. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on this get paid to test. You see it up here in the upper right hand corner, get paid to test. And so here we go. User testing, you can earn up to $10 per test. Okay, so they'll pay you in PayPal, which is cool because once the money goes in your PayPal account, then you can do whatever you want with it. In fact, you can get a debit card on PayPal and you can go spend that. You can spend your PayPal wherever you want in the world. Debit card, it's just like a Visa card. You can spend it anywhere in the world. So every 20 minutes you can get a $10 gift card, and what you're going to be doing is you're going to be doing small tasks. You're going to go to videos, you're going to watch these videos, and you're also going to be doing other small tasks, but it's very easy. You don't really need a whole lot to get up and get going with this. So they use Microsoft, eBay, Yahoo, Orbitz, Facebook, all of the big websites, Dropbox, Adobe, Evernote. Okay, these are the websites that they work with. Now, what do you need to get started? You need a PC, obviously, and a computer. You need an internet connection and a microphone. Okay, you'll need an iPhone, iPad, Android phone, or an Android tablet if you'd like to take the mobile test. So any of those smartphones will work. You don't need all of them. You just need any type of smartphone will work if you want to use the mobile testing. Ability to download our testing software. So you need to be able to download the software to either your mobile phone or to your PC. And you must be at least 18 years old. And then the ability to speak through thoughts aloud in English. Okay, so English, it doesn't have to be your first language, but you need to at least be able to speak some English in order to make this work. Now you can make pretty much $30 an hour because you figured $10 every 20 minutes, over that hour time. So you can roughly make about $30 per hour. So you're going to be trading time for this money right here. Now you get paid in PayPal. If you haven't have a PayPal account, you just go to PayPal and you can sign up for that. What I recommend you doing is you can either connect it to your bank and they'll wire the money back to your bank. What I like to do is I like to use a debit card. And once that money gets put into my PayPal account, I'll take that debit card and I'll go spend it, and I'll pull the money out using that debit card. It's just like a Visa card, MasterCard, anything like that. It works. Now, when you go here, though, you want to make sure that you look at your country. You want to make sure your country is available to you. If your country's not on here, I do have a process that I'd like to show you. You can use a VPN. Now, I'm not condoning this. I'm not really saying this is going to be the best way. This is just for your education purposes only. VPN allows you to access, really what it does, it changes your IP. Sometimes in countries, they don't allow you to get onto the whole internet. And so you can use a VPN. And what it does, it kind of redirects your IP through another computer and allows you to get on there. So if you wanted to, you go to ExpressVPN. It allows you unrestricted access worldwide. And I believe you can use ExpressVPN for around $6.67 per month to use that service. Okay, so that would be a good service to use if you wanted to kind of bypass the country's codes. Like if your country doesn't allow it, you could use ExpressVPN for that service. Now, again, you just gotta be able to have a PC and a mobile phone, smartphone. Everybody's got a smartphone now, and you'll be able to do these tasks. Okay, so this is very easy. So just go to usertesting.com, and you can do that.